What's up, guys? These are the brand new Sky High Car Audio passive cooling options for all of our amplifiers. These are available in both 4 channels, the 1600x4 and the 3000.4, and all of the monoblocks. They are sold in packs of 4. They're all anodized aluminum. We have 6 pre-colored ones for you. We have orange, blue, green, red, black, gray, and we also have a 7th raw that you can custom powder coat essentially with any color you would like. The 3000.4 and the 3500.1 physical dimensions are exactly the same. The casing is exactly the same. So these will fit on obviously the 3000.4 and the 3500.1. If you guys want to see any like custom color combos, or if you have any like questions or want a video or a picture, feel free to DM us or comment down below. We can do like, you know, 2 oranges on this side, 2 blues on this side, 2 greens on top, 2 reds on the bottom. You know, whatever kind of combo that you want to see what it would look like in real life before you actually press click on skyhighcaraudio.com. Be happy to help you check it out. Maybe we'll get some cool photos and different videos with all of these and whatnot. Thank you guys for watching, appreciate it. These are the Sky High Car Audio passive cooling options. I'll leave a link for them in the description below. And yes, these will only work with Sky High amplifiers.